Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will discuss what is an array, the difference between list and array, how to create array in Python, accessing elements in the array, and then we can perform some basic operations like finding the length of array, adding an element in the array, or remove an element from the array. Then slicing, looping, and concatenation. Now, what is an array? An array is basically a data structure which can hold more than one value at a time. It is collection of the elements of the same type. Each element is identified by an index number. Now, the difference between list and array. In list, we can store different type of data. But in array, we can store only same type of data. We can perform almost all operations in array that we can perform in list. Now, how to create an array in Python? First, import array module. Click on the I button to watch video about an import. You write the name of the array, array.array I. This array is the name of the array module, and this is array constructive. And here we write type code that tell us which type of array is. We write here I means this is the integer type. Now here we can write only integer values. Now print mark. Now run to check. Here you can see we get array. The second method is import array as arr. Here we can write the name according to our choice. This is alias method. Now we write here arr. Here you can see again we get right output. The third method is from array import static means we can import all the functions from array module. Now write the name of the array. Then here we simply write array, then type code, and then value. No need to write here name of the module. Now print to check. Now run. Here you can see we get right output. Here we discuss three methods to create an array. Now accessing array elements. We can access array elements same like list. Print. Here we write the index number. Here we write 2. We get the values that is on the second index number. Here you can see we get 4 and it is on the second index number. Index number always start from 0, 0, 1 and 2. We can also access elements using negative index number -3. Now run to check. Here you can see we get 3. This is the -1 index number, then -2, then -3. Negative index number start from right side and it start from -1, and positive index number start from left side and it start from 0 index number, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now we perform some basic array operations. First we find the length of an array. Print. We use length function to find the length of array. And we write name of array. Now run to check. Here you can see the length is 4. We can use formatting. Length of an array is Mars. Now run to check. Here you can see length of an array is 4. If length of an array is n, the index number is n minus 1 because it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3, and the length of an array is 4. Now adding elements in the array. We discuss 3 methods to add an element in the array. First, append. Here write marks dot append. Here you pass the value. You want to add 6. Now print. After append arrays Mars. Now run to check. Here you can see arrays 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 is added at the end. Append is used to add a single element. If we want to add more than one element, we use extend method. Extend. Now marks dot extend. Here you pass the value in list 7, 8 and 9. After extend arrays marks. Now run to check. Here you can see arrays 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We add more than one value. If you want to add only single value, we use append method. If you want to add more than one value, we use extend method. And the third method is insert method. We use insert method to insert a value on a specific position. Marks dot insert. First we write the index number, then we write the value. Now print. After insert arrays marks. Now run. Here you can see after insert arrays, here we add 1 on 0 index number. Now removing elements from array. Removing elements. One array. We use 2 methods to remove an element from an array. First, pop remarks dot pop. We don't pass any parameter, it removes the last element from an array. Now print. After pop arrays. Now run to check. Here you can see 9 is not present. Values go from 1 to 8 because pop removed the last value, that is 9. We can also pass index number in pop method. Here write 0. Now run to check. Here you can see 1 is not present in this array because we remove this using pop method. And the second method is remove. Marks dot remove. Here we pass the value that you want to remove. If you want to remove 9, we pass 9. Now run to check, print. Here you can see we get the values from 2 to 8 and 9 is not present in this array because we remove. Slicing is same like list. Now check, you write marks, then you write the first starting index number and then we write ending index number. We write 5. 5 is not included, the values go from 2 to 4 index number. Here you can see we get 4, 5, 6 because this is on second, then third, then fourth index number. Fifth is not included. We can also write steps. We want to first we write starting index 2, then 6, then 7, and here we write the step 2. No print and check what happened. Here you can see we get 4, 6 and 8. Now looping. We can get access of an array element using loop. Here we use for loop for I in marks print I. Here you can see we get all the element of an array. We can also use while loop. Here write I equal to 0. We will specify condition I less than or equal to the marks. Now print I and I equal to I plus 1. Now run to check. Sorry, here we miss column. Now run to check. Here you can see we get all the elements of an array. Now concatenation. Here we create one array. We create array marks 2, array I, one, 7, 8, 9. Now we create marks 3 array. We simply write type code. Now here we can concatenate array using add marks plus marks 2. Now print marks 3. Here you can see we get right output. We can also check the type code of array. Print marks 3 dot type code. Now run to check. Here you can see we get I. This is type code of this array. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.